In this video, we will look at some of the best high-mileage synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic. In the world of automotive maintenance, choosing the right motor oil is crucial to ensure your engine's longevity and performance. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 10W30 is designed to deliver exceptional protection and performance for high-mileage engines, extended protection and performance. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 10W30 is engineered to safeguard critical engine components for extended periods between oil changes, with an impressive interval of up to 20,000 miles. This extended protection is achieved through its innovative Triple Action Plus formula, which combines three essential qualities: engine performance, protection, and cleanliness. Meeting stringent standards, this advanced synthetic motor oil adheres to the latest ILSA CGF6 standards. This means that it offers exceptional protection against low-speed pre-ignition LSPI and timing chain wear, ensuring a smooth and efficient engine operation. By keeping the engine clean and minimizing friction, Mobil 1 helps to improve fuel economy, reducing the overall cost of ownership. Enhanced engine life. One of the key benefits of using Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil is its ability to extend the engine's life. By preventing the formation of damaging deposits and sludge buildup, it ensures that the engine operates optimally throughout its lifespan. This protection is particularly beneficial for high-mileage vehicles, where engine wear can become a concern over time. Unparalleled temperature protection. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic Motor Oil provides exceptional heat and low-temperature protection. Number 2. Valvoline High Mileage. As vehicles accumulate mileage, their engines require special care to maintain optimal performance and longevity. Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life technology is a cutting-edge motor oil designed to cater to the unique needs of high-mileage engines. This article presents a comprehensive review of the product, highlighting its key features and benefits. Superior wear protection with Max Life technology. Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life technology stands out for its remarkable engine wear protection, surpassing the industry standard by an impressive 40%. The incorporation of Max Life technology ensures that critical engine components are shielded from breakdown, enabling your engine to withstand the rigors of daily driving even with high mileage. Combat aging seals and prevent leaks. High-mileage engines often face the challenge of aging seals, leading to potential leaks and performance issues. Valvoline's high-mileage formula contains specialized seal conditioners that refresh aging seals, helping to prevent leaks and maintain a tight seal. This not only preserves engine performance, but also reduces the risk of costly repairs, maintaining a clean engine interior. Over time, engines can accumulate sludge, deposits, and corrosion, negatively impacting their performance. Valvoline High Mileage Motor Oil combats these issues effectively with its advanced detergents. Number 3. Pennzoil High Mileage. As vehicles age and accumulate miles, their engines require special care to maintain peak performance and reliability. Pennzoil High Mileage 10W30 engine oil is a specially formulated solution designed to cater to the needs of older or high-mileage SUVs, light vans, trucks, and passenger cars, tailored for high-mileage vehicles. Pennzoil High Mileage 10W30 is a conventional engine oil that has been specifically crafted for new or late-model vehicles with over 75,000 miles on the odometer. Its unique formulation addresses the challenges that high-mileage engines face, ensuring they remain in excellent condition for extended periods. Sludge and deposit prevention. Over time, engines can accumulate sludge and deposits, leading to performance issues and potential damage. Pennzoil High Mileage engine oil is engineered to prevent the formation of sludge and harmful deposits. By maintaining a cleaner engine interior, This motor oil guarantees consistent performance and helps prolong the life of critical engine components. Seal conditioning for leak reduction. With age, engine seals may dry out or crack, causing leaks and increased oil consumption. Pennzoil high-mileage motor oil contains specialized seal conditioning agents that rejuvenate dry or cracked seals. Number for Castrol Edge high-mileage oil. As vehicles accumulate miles over time, their engines demand special care to maintain peak performance and longevity. Castrol Edge high-mileage oil, fortified with innovative titanium-strong technology, has been specifically engineered to cater to the needs of engines with over 75,000 miles. Titanium-strong technology. At the core of Castrol Edge high-mileage oil lies the revolutionary titanium-strong technology. This unique formulation combines extra fluid titanium with essential additives, significantly enhancing the oil film's strength. As a result, the oil can withstand higher pressures and temperatures within the engine, ensuring superior protection against wear and tear. Maximized engine performance. Engines with high mileage tend to experience increased wear and reduced performance. Castrol Edge high mileage oil effectively addresses these challenges, both in the short and long term. By providing a robust lubricating layer between moving engine parts, this oil reduces friction and minimizes wear, leading to smoother and more efficient engine operation. Increased oil film strength. The addition of extra fluid titanium in the oil's composition plays a pivotal role in enhancing the oil film's overall strength. As the oil circulates through the engine, it forms a resilient protective barrier that safeguards critical components from metal-to-metal contact. This fortified film ensures longevity and durability, even in high-stress driving conditions. Number 5. Royal Purple high mileage. As vehicles accumulate significant mileage, their engines require specialized care to maintain peak performance and longevity. Royal Purple high-mileage oil is specifically designed to cater to engines with over 75,000 miles, offering exceptional wear protection and performance restoration. In this review, we delve into the remarkable features of this advanced motor oil, enriched with proprietary additive technology and potent anti-wear compounds to reduce friction and revitalize aging seals for an optimized driving experience. Tailored for high-mileage engines, Royal Purple high-mileage oil is expertly formulated to address the unique needs of engines with more than 75,000 miles. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, this oil is engineered to provide the necessary lubrication and protection required for aging engines.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.